Oh my god.
Wow.
That's amazing. I just can't. Where's my hand? I'm gonna call this guy.
Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough.
Took a sip of this right back in the day, and I thought to myself, this is the Christmas blowjob.
So we're going to start off with 2 to 3 big scoops of ice cream right into our mason jar. We'll add 1 ounce of Bailey's Irish cream to each of these. And 1 ounce of butterscotch schnapps. And then we're going to fill each of these mason jars with cream soda. Give it a quick stir. We'll top each of these with some whipped cream. And of course, a nice caramel drizzle, and if you wish, a chocolate drizzle. And we'll throw a straw in. Cheers, y'all. Merry Christmas.
Oh my god.
Wow.
See what I'm talking about now?
Very good.
That's delicious. Okay, this takes me right back to college for many reasons.
Your roommate?
That's amazing. I just can't. Where's my hand? I'm gonna call this guy. I've given this a 9.5.
Holy shit!
This is a 9.
That's your highest rating ever.
I know.
So in my mind, this is about what you would expect. It's ice cream, Bailey's, butterscotch, cream soda, whipped cream, caramel chocolate, not a lot of alcohol, a lot of sweet things, and the liquors are sweet and easy to drink. This is incredible. It definitely is. It's 9.5 is too high. I can't go that high. I don't even know that that exists in my world. I guess it should have to.
This is the kind of drink that gets you like Santa fat.
What in the bow is right over my belly. I just gained about 10 pounds for you guys, so please like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Cheers till next time. Well, just because it's thick, sweet drink doesn't mean we shouldn't do the down in one.
There's no way I'm chugging ice cream.
Challenge accepted. Look, is it easy to chug a milkshake? No! But does that stop us from chugging a milkshake? No, it does not.
The frontier. No, I spilled on myself. Are you okay? Frontier, frontier, frontier. That's what it looks like for my Christmas blowjob.
So we'll take our novelty aircraft bottle opener.
Something else. Give a spoon. This is actually specifically a drink just from something that I made with a friend in college. This is called the Christmas blowjob. Now, I know it sounds really weird when I say it like that.
You made it with a friend in college?
Leave me alone. Have you ever woken up on Christmas and received a blowjob? Because when I had my first sip of this drink way back in the day,
I had my first blowjob.
do you guys like stepmoms?